how to change the burrs. Those are very easy burr to change because of flat, so it's just a 6 screw. What you're gonna do is take out the screw, leave coffee batch in the burrs, take it out, take out the first part going on the coarser way, which is clockwise, like this until the end. Take it out. One. Second part, as you can see, there's a lot of coffee in it. So what you're gonna do, the first thing is take out all the coffee in there, like this. And of course the same things in there. For this coffee, if you got a Hoover, it's very good to use. Now, as you can see, there are only 6 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So what we're going to do is taking it out. Of course, just take care, must be switched off. Be careful. Alright, you can use something to help you. Yes. If you got another screwdriver, it will be better and a free hand helping you for that. Alright. Here we are. Here is the first one.
Vabbè, Fabio. No, è perché devi avere un altro cazzavite.
Sì.
Però.
Here we are. This is our Burrs, okay? So now, of course, what you're gonna do is take the new one. Here you're gonna do the same. So take it out the screw, take the new one and plug with with the new screwdriver. Before do it, of course, clean it, everything very well with the hoover. Okay? That's it.